Morjesta and hello. So, I'm doing a collaboration with the LUT University in the INB course, and this is the challenge 3 or case basically that I would like you to understand a bit more. So, first, I'm going through the challenge, then I'm going through the deliverables, and then telling you about what I think and what I've been researching about this Microsoft Clarity and things related to it. So, first, let's go through the challenge. So basically, Microsoft Clarity is a web analytics platform developed by Microsoft. Uh, and I'm interested in the feature set that it offers and also the GDPR. I'm more interested in GDPR than the features. The features I can kind of see from myself, but also interested in knowing and understanding about the features, how they are different from other platforms, if they are different from other platforms. But the GDPR is something that I'm interested in, at least on the EU market. That how is that feasible? So this is about evaluating and ensuring the Clarity's web analytics features and compliance with GDPR. And the problem that I want to solve is that how does the Clarity compare in features and in privacy data control features? So, and of course, if you think about how does it comply in the regulation of GDPR, because it's a lot of kind of law text that would be useful if it's simplified, that this section, what it actually does is basically in conflict with how it actually works and things like this. Okay, but this is fairly simple. It's just what kind of different features there are in different analytics platforms and what kind of data and privacy controls there are in different platforms. In most of these web app kind of analytics, there is definitely this kind of a feeling that the big brother is watching, meaning that whatever you do in the applications, that they say that, hey, we're using cookies to track you and we are using this and this to make the website better, is basically these kind of tools, these web analytics tools. So definitely I want to understand that how we can prevent this conception from the users that, or the customers, that hey, we don't want to add these kind of things to our systems because we feel that our customers will think that we track them too much based on what actually they need to be tracking in order to make the business flourish more, and also what kind of useful analytics we can get. So those are the things that I've been thinking and pondering, and now it's time to go through the deliverables, how you could help me understand about this Clarity. So why is using Clarity a bad idea? Please, this is something that I definitely want you to tell me if using Clarity is a bad idea. Also, this is basically really useful information about thinking what kind of alternatives there are and how do they compare to the Clarity. If you think about kind of what kind of wireframes or prototypes could be added to the Clarity, that would help in the privacy side or the GDPR side, is something that you could try to create a prototype or wireframes if you think about like what kind of data or privacy control there should be. So it's easy to communicate to the Microsoft that if let's say we asked for this feature for them, that hey, we would need this to the EU, so then wireframes or prototypes would be useful for that. Then the proof of concept is definitely that you have some website and you added a bunch of web analytics scripts in the header of the page, or add them in another way, or however you enable the tracking, and then you generate events, and then you go to the web analytics platforms and then see how the events look in there and compare them. Then that's basically what I said before is the technical implementation plan, but you can give me one that is more precise. And then how this is added and how it's useful in the architecture way is also useful, and then how you can onboard customers or clients to actually start using analytics is something that with Microsoft Clarity, of course, and how you can tackle data privacy issues in there is something that I'm interested in. Okay, so there's a bunch of things that you can start exploring. Clarity and the GDPR is definitely something that I'm interested in. This is really a new tool, or new, but basically Microsoft has launched kind of the marketing effort for this tool a month ago, so it's quite fresh. So there's definitely something that could be useful to understand. Okay, that was it. Thanks.